Cool. So what does Green Man do? Anything that needs to be done in the way of food. Getting food from the fridge. Drying the dishes. Preparing food. Pouring drinks of water. Wow, Food Man is great, Anthony.